Welcome to The Last Breakfast. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make lion's mane capsules. First, you'll need to gather your essential supplies. This includes high-quality dried lion's mane mushroom powder, which is the core ingredient. Next, ensure you have a good supply of empty capsules, either gelatin or vegetarian, depending on your preference. Finally, a capsule filling machine will make this process much faster and more consistent, especially if you plan to make a larger batch. Before you begin filling, proper powder preparation is crucial for consistent capsules. Make sure your lion's mane powder is very finely ground. If it's not, a clean coffee grinder can achieve that perfect, fine consistency. After grinding, it's a good idea to sift the powder. This step helps remove any larger clumps or debris, ensuring a smooth flow into your capsules and a uniform dosage in each one. Now, let's get to the filling process. Place your capsule filling machine on a clean, stable surface. Carefully separate your empty capsules into their two halves and arrange them in the designated tray of the machine. Once all the bottom halves are in place, generously spread your prepared lion's mane powder evenly over the entire tray. Use the provided tamper to press the powder down firmly into each capsule. After filling, it's time to seal your capsules. Carefully place the top half of the capsule filling machine over the bottom tray, ensuring all the top halves align with their corresponding bottoms. Press down firmly to rejoin and seal each capsule. Once sealed, transfer your finished lion's mane capsules into an airtight container to maintain their freshness and potency. Remember to check the description below for the link to the Echo Dot smart speaker and other great deals to enhance your home setup.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.